Here, hold this. Wait a minute. I can't drive.
Haha! They said I could never teach a llama to drive. No, llama, no!
Hey, can people fly? That's a shame. Look, a bull. Bull, man. There's something on your face. It was pain.
I like trains.
I like trains. I pronounce you...
That ain't right.
Hey, about your new girlfriend.
What about her?
She's, punching my horse.
You've got too many legs!
I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way to eat your skin. Don't even think about it.
That's my girl.
I'm sorry for your loss, ma'am.
Ugh, it's Johnny Big Feet.
Hey, my feet aren't that big.
Damn you, Johnny Big Feet! Oh no, I am not stepping on you. Come on, everybody, do the whale dance.
I feel like you've been so distant lately.
What?
Oh.
Oh no, I'm late! Kitten fight!
No, wait! I'm allergic to adorableness!
Oh.
I'm trans!
Cool.
Parent!
What?
Mom, I'm scared. Oh, honey, ghosts aren't real.
Oh. Okay.
Haha! Nothing can stop me now! No! My brain is big and smart.
That's how you open a door.
Hey, hi. See? Not all these skits have to end in violence.
They do.